Hi guys, happy Wednesday. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. This week we've been doing 5 days of cleaning. So we are on day 3. We are concentrating on the kitchen and dining room today. If you missed Monday and Tuesday, I will link that down below for you. What I'm doing is basically going through my weekly cleaning list that I have, and I'm just following what it tells me to do for that day. I'm doing, like, Monday we did the bathrooms, Tuesday we did the living room, today we're doing the kitchen, and so forth. So I'm just going through that weekly checklist and just doing a video for each day. This cleaning list has kept me on track. It's simple, it tells me what I need to do, and it just helps keep me organized throughout the week. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, leave me a comment down below. Let me know so far what day has been your favorite. And if you are new, I would totally love it if you would consider subscribing and sticking around. We've got 2 more days after this for my cleaning week, and we would just love to have you. So all right, let's get into cleaning. Alright guys, that does it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed and hope it got you a little bit motivated. We will see you tomorrow and we are going to be doing bedrooms. That is my least favorite day of the week, but hey, we gotta do it. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.